A very warm welcome to the following video. Students, in the last chapter we discussed land resources. We came to know about different types of soil and about their conservation. In this video, we will discuss a new chapter where we will read about water as a resource. Students, we live on a planet where 2/3 of the land is covered with some form of water. Water resources are natural resources of water that are potentially useful as a resource of water supply. 97% of the water on the earth is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. Slightly over 2/3 of this is frozen in glaciers and polar ice caps. The remaining unfrozen fresh water is found mainly as groundwater, with only a small fraction present above ground or in the air. Natural sources of fresh water include surface water, under river flow, groundwater, and frozen water. Water resources are sources of water that are useful or potentially useful to humans. It is important because it is needed for life to exist. Many uses of water include agricultural, industrial, household, recreational, and environmental activities. Fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff, and groundwater is continually being renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle. All water moves within the hydrological cycle, ensuring that water is a renewable resource. Students, you might wonder, what if 3/4 of the world is covered with water and water is a renewable resource? Then how is it that countries and regions around the globe suffer from water scarcity? Why is it predicted that by 2025 nearly 2 billion people will live in absolute water scarcity? Water resources are under threat from water scarcity, water pollution, water conflict, and climate change. Fresh water is a renewable resource, yet the world's supply of groundwater is steadily decreasing, with depletion occurring most prominently in Asia, South America, and North America. Although it is still unclear how much natural renewable balance this usage and whether ecosystems are threatened. Human use of natural waters, particularly of fresh water resources, has increased steadily over the centuries. It is unlikely that this trend will change given the continued growth of population and ever-widening utilization of water for agricultural, industrial, and recreational purposes. This situation has given rise to growing concern over the availability of adequate water supplies to accommodate the future needs of society. Surface water resources are already being used to their maximum capacity in various regions of the world. The quantity of water is not the only concern. Overuse has resulted in the progressive deterioration of water quality, seepage of mineral fertilizers, phosphates and nitrates, pesticides and herbicides into surface and subsurface waters has not only rendered them unfit for human consumption but also disrupted aquatic ecosystem. Lakes and rivers have also been contaminated by the improper disposal of sewage, the discharge of untreated industrial waste, including such toxicants as polychlorinated biphenyls or PCBs, and the release of heated wastewater from the nuclear power plants and other industrial facilities, which result in thermal pollution and its attendant problems. The misuse of water resource has led as to the scarcity of water safe to use. Students, you must have heard the line, water, water everywhere, but not a single drop to drink. So students, in this video, we learned about water as a resource and its uses. In the next video, we will study scarcity of water. Till then, it's time for me to say goodbye. Stay fit, stay healthy, and yes, keep learning.